Welcome to the training for Stroke Smart, Frederick County, Maryland. By the end of this training, you will be able to identify the signs of a stroke, know what actions you can take if you or someone else is having a stroke, inform others about stroke awareness, and ultimately make Frederick County a better community for all of us. So what is a stroke? A stroke is a sudden loss of brain function due to a blood clot in an artery or a burst blood vessel in the brain. Learning about strokes is important because it is a serious issue in our country, in our state, and here in Frederick County. In the United States, someone has a stroke every 40 seconds. Every 4 minutes, someone in the United States dies of a stroke. Over 75% of strokes occur to people who have not previously had a stroke. Stroke is the leading cause of serious long-term disability in our country. Stroke is the 5th leading cause of death in the United States, and it is the 3rd leading cause of death in Maryland and in Frederick County. So who is at risk for a stroke? Some individuals are more likely to have a stroke due to habits and choices that impact our personal health, such as smoking. Some people have health issues that increase their risk of stroke, such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, or being obese. The good news is that many of these factors are controllable. Talk with your healthcare provider to discuss ways that you can take steps to reduce your risk, or learn more at stroke.org. Some individuals are more likely to have a stroke due to their gender, race, and age. We know that structural and social racism plays a role in increasing the chance of stroke. Data also shows us that people older than 65 years are more likely than younger people to have a stroke, but it's important to note that 1 in 5 strokes occur in people under 55 years of age. Regardless of who is at higher risk, it's important to remember that strokes can happen to anyone, anytime, at any age. Visit the Frederick County Office of Equity and Inclusion website at frederickcountymd.gov/equity to learn how you can get involved addressing the systems that negatively impact our community. So what are the signs of a stroke? It all comes down to knowing how to spot a stroke, and the key is to be fast. B stands for balance. Is there a sudden loss of balance or dizziness? E is for eyes. Is there sudden change in vision? F is for face. Is one or both sides of the face drooping? A stands for arms. Is there weakness or numbness of the arms? S is for speech. Does the person have trouble speaking or confusion? And T stands for time. If you notice any one or more of these signs, it is time to call 911. Remember, be fast. Call 911. So what can you do if you notice these signs? Call 911. Getting to the emergency department quickly is important, even if symptoms have gone away. Treatment is most successful if given within 4 hours of symptoms starting. Do not drive yourself or wait for a friend, family member, or a neighbor to be available to drive you. We know that some people put off calling 911 because of the concern of the cost of an ambulance ride, but an untreated stroke can cost so much more. Remember, be fast. Call 911. Many people do not recognize the signs of a stroke. Now that you have learned the simple way to remember the signs, be fast. Please share your knowledge with your friends, family, and neighbors. Be ready to call 911 if you see someone having a stroke or if you experience these symptoms yourself. Do not wait to get medical care. Delays in getting medical care can lead to worse outcome. Remember, B FAST stands for balance, eyes, face, arm, speech, and time. Be fast. Call 911. For more information, go to frederickcountymd.gov/stroke to learn more about how Frederick County is a stroke smart community. When it comes to stroke, be fast. Call 911. Remember, balance, eyes, face, arm, speech, and time. Be fast. Call 911. Thank you for completing this training. It is brought to you by the Frederick County Health Department, Frederick County Senior Services Division, and Frederick Health Hospital. We want everyone in our community to know the signs of a stroke and what to do so that we can reduce the impact of stroke in Frederick County. Our knowledge and action can save lives. Please complete the quiz next.